I have a problem with my teeth. I always have touch, and my dentist told me that I can use this. He suggests me to use baking soda combined with hydrogen peroxide, so I can make a paste and use it as a toothpaste and whitening my teeth. And it works. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now you have this baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, but this is French, so I'm living in France, so this is French word. And this is we call that water with oxygen, which is H2O2. When they combine together, and you can make a paste. It's very simple. This stuff can whitening your teeth because they can oxidize the touch. Both they can kill bacteria, and they are very natural, no chemical, very good for your health. How to do that? I'm going to show you. Here I have about 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then I add, usually it's a 1 and 1, so I add some hydrogen peroxide. So very easy, you just stir it like that. You try to make a plate. You see, it's already become like a toothplate. So this is enough for one time already, I guess. And you can put it into that's finished. Yes, you can use this to clean your teeth now, and that's very effective. So try to use it today, and this is very good.